Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explore a fantastic features in Gmail that many people are not aware of. Sending email as attachment. These features can be incredibly useful when you need to share multiple email or forward a conversation. These features will make your life so much easier. So let's check how we'll do this. So here we are in our Gmail inbox where we have a bunch of email that we want to send as attachment. Instead of forwarding each email individually, we can bundle them up into a neat package and accordingly we can send it. The first things we need to do is select the email we want to include as attachment. You can do this by simply clicking the check boxes next to the each email. Feel free to select as many as you need. Okay, like this. Once you have selected the desired email, click on the more button at the top of the interface. It looks like a 3 vertical dots. In the drop down menu, choose forward as attachment. Gmail will create a new email with a selected email attached as individual.eml files. You will find all the mail attached as an .eml file. You can see them as an attachment at the bottom of the new email. Okay, like here. And I'm going to give some subject over here and compose the body of the email as you normally would. When you are ready to send the email, simply click on the send button. Okay, now I'm going to check. So I have to minimize this. I have to open the another email where I will get this new mail. So here you will find we will get this new mail. So once we click on this, you can see all the previous mails are attached over here. You have successfully sent email as attachment in Gmail. These features can save you time and make it easier to share email conversation or forward multiple messages. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. If you have any questions or suggestions for future video, feel free to leave them in a comment sections below. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.